Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan was known for his boundless energy and insatiable curiosity. He loved nothing more than spending time outdoors, exploring the wonders of nature that surrounded his home. One bright and sunny morning, Ethan woke up with a sense of excitement bubbling within him. Today was a day unlike any other, a day he had set aside to spend entirely in the great outdoors. With a skip in his step and a backpack slung over his shoulder, Ethan set off on his grand adventure. His first stop was the meandering river that flowed through the heart of the village. With a splash, Ethan jumped into the cool, refreshing water, feeling the gentle currents carry him downstream. He laughed and played, splashing in the shallows and chasing after colorful fish darting beneath the surface. After his swim, Ethan ventured into the nearby woods, where towering trees cast dappled shadows on the forest floor. With each step, he marveled at the beauty of his surroundings, the sweet songs of birds echoing through the trees, the earthy scent of moss and fallen leaves, and the soft rustle of squirrels scampering among the branches. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, Ethan found a cozy spot beneath a sprawling oak tree and unpacked his lunch, a simple feast of sandwiches, fruit, and homemade cookies. He savored each bite, feeling grateful for the nourishment and the peace that surrounded him. With renewed energy, Ethan continued his journey, following a winding trail that led to a hidden waterfall cascading down a rocky cliff. Mesmerized by the sight, he stood in awe, feeling the spray of mist on his face and listening to the soothing roar of the rushing water. As the day began to wane, Ethan reluctantly made his way back home, his heart full of memories and his spirit refreshed by his time spent in nature. Though his adventure had come to an end, he knew that the beauty and wonder of the natural world would always be there, waiting for him to explore once more. And so, with a contented sigh, Ethan bid farewell to the wilderness and returned to the comforts of home, knowing that he had spent his day in the best possible way, surrounded by the beauty of the world and the joy of simply being alive.